Hello, trading is closed on September 14th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. Let's go over my calls from the weekend. I was looking for a high likelihood of a gap lower. We actually traded slightly higher and made a straight line move down. It's not really a gap. It's close, but it's not what I said. Then what happened to our target? Well, we have a failed target here of 1972.22. We didn't hit the target here, 1946.93, so that's a failed target too. The numbers had some relevance in the futures market. The range during the day was 1964.25 to 1936.60. I think that should be a 50. Let's change it. 50. The discount's about 10 handles. It is 50, right? Yeah, 50. Discount's about 10 handles. If you add 10 handles to the higher, if you add 10 handles to this, you come pretty close to the higher target. If you add 10 handles to this, you come pretty close to the lower target. So as far as the futures were concerned, those were useful numbers, but futures do not count, and we now have both higher and lower targets, which should print at some time. During the day, MEJT said this rally was false and prices would retrace. Says this drop was false, prices will retrace. It says this rally's false, prices will retrace to 1949.07. This is an optional target. We came so close that even though the target usually prints, it does not have to. And that makes tomorrow pretty tough. This actually was pretty impressive action today. We had a strong move lower at the open, and we held it all day long. If this holds at tomorrow's open, or at least the opening trade, doesn't have to be exactly at the open, but the opening trade, if this holds, we have a good chance for a strong rally tomorrow. But if it does not hold, we have the optional target of 1949.07, and we have this other target of 1946.93, and we should see support under the target, but support doesn't have to hold. So for those reasons, I think the opening is going to be important. It's entirely possible that the market doesn't move too much until the Fed meeting this week, and that after the Fed meeting it moves so fast it won't be possible to make reasonable trades. But that's life, and the call for tomorrow is if we hold these lows, we have a good rally. If not, we have support pretty close under these lows, but support doesn't have to hold. And that's the call.